We are in the tent right now. Say hi.
Hi. Yeah. And these are our squirrelies.
They came in last night.
Savannah found one on the side of the road, and we picked it up, and they're very friendly. Who is this? Which one is this?
That's Miles.
This is Miles.
Cody.
This is Cody, the hyper one. And then over there
is Miles.
He's drinking. They're so cute. Oh, they're both on Danny. I think Danny is his mother. Savannah. Oh, look at the face. Oh.
Don't that bud.
Oh.
Can't get out. Smart squirrel!
Oh. He's outside. Oh. Savannah, don't chase him.
Danny, get out here. Miles.
Oh, it's Cody that escapes.
Cody.
Let's go hop to him. Oh God, he's in the bushes. No! Oh, he's in the bushes.
What?
He's on a tree. Come back here. Come here. Come here. Good squirrel. See how trained that is? Look at them. Oh, he's on me. He's on